Technology has the power to change our lives, and today we will check out 9 brand new gadgets that are actually worth buying. You'll see everything from a hoverboard that weighs less than 3 kilograms to a drone that lets you dive deep underwater. Welcome to Future Tech. SPRYNG. Working out or exercising can be really hard on your knees, ankles, and calves. This can lead to some serious aches and pains that could take away from your daily activities. However, with SPRYNG, you can ease muscle fatigue and pain easily. This is a compression fitting that easily wraps around your leg and leaves your muscles feeling rested and ache-free in as little as 9 minutes. Just wrap it around your leg, secure the wrap, and then turn it on. There are 3 levels of compression to choose from: low, medium, and high. Just choose your setting and let SPRYNG do the rest of the work for you. This compression simulated a deep tissue massage while reducing inflammation around your muscles. Compression therapy has been used by doctors and massage therapists for many years and is one of the best ways to help soothe achy joints and muscles. SPRYNG will even let you choose between gradual compression or pulsing compression. When you're done using it for the day, just hook it up to the built-in charger and it'll be ready for your next exercise. WALKCAR. Electric hoverboards have been around for a few years now, but now there is a way to take a hoverboard with you wherever you go without having to learn to balance perfectly or carry around a heavy piece of equipment. Weighing just under 3 kilograms, the WALKCAR is super lightweight and can support any normal-sized person. It is just 13 inches, making it the same size as your standard laptop computer. It is made from high-density carbon so that it will never bend, dent, or break, no matter where you go. The battery is built into the bottom of the unit, helping to disperse the weight of the electronics evenly so that your center of gravity will be lowered. The electric motors give you a maximum speed of about 15 kilometers per hour, and you can climb hills with ease. Spring-loaded suspension also takes some of the harshness out of any bumps or cracks you may pass over, helping you to stay comfortable and safe. RINSEKIT. RINSEKIT is an all-new way to take fresh water with you wherever you go. When was the last time you were out at the beach or had gone hiking with friends, only to realize where there were no water faucets nearby to help clean yourself off after the journey? RINSEKIT lets you take several gallons of water anywhere you may need it, allowing you to store water at pressures of up to 65 psi so you could spray down your feet, your kids, your dog, your vehicle, your bike, or your shoes. You can even use it to wash your dog, give him something to drink, or wash your car if you're in a pinch and don't have a hose. With RINSEKIT, you'll never have to worry about having access to an emergency water supply, as your water will always be fresh and ready to use when the need arises. This product is available right now online, but act quickly, because they will not last long. ZCAN wireless scanner mouse. Whether you're working from home or just doing your daily tasks at the office, I think we can all agree that having a scanner handy can be very helpful. Before, scanning documents to a computer would require expensive technology, technical know-how, and a lot of added time and effort. With ZCAN wireless scanner mouse, you can now scan documents instantly, using nothing but the mouse from your computer. This laser mouse has a built-in image sensor on the bottom that can easily scan all of your documents to your computer in record time. If you're needing to keep up with important sales reports, you can scan them onto your screen with a few simple swipes of the mouse. This will allow you to save the document or import it into Word or Excel instantly so that you can share it with friends, family, or coworkers. It can even help your kids do their homework if they need to leave their book at school or forgot it at a friend's house. PARKIS. This product allows you to lift your bike into the air, saving you up to 40% of the space in your storage area. This lift can be mounted on any standard wall, meaning you can take it virtually anywhere. Storing a bike in your home or garage can take up a lot of valuable space. Many companies have developed collapsible bikes, but these bikes don't work for everyone. Enter PARKIS Bike Lift. When you're done riding, just push your bike onto the lift. Then slide it up to lock it in place. When you're ready to ride, just lower your bike down and ride away. This is the fastest and easiest way to save space in your garage when your bike is not in use. It fits most standard sizes of bikes and doesn't cause any harm to the bike or wheels. These lifts are available in a wide variety of colors and styles, with a lift being available for everyone, suiting all your basic needs. Push and click fidget toy. We've all been there. You're in class, or in a meeting with a particularly anxious person who can't seem to stop clicking the cap of their pen. This can be super annoying, but it doesn't have to be with this new push and click fidget toy. This toy was designed specifically for people who may suffer from anxiety, ADHD, or even certain types of autism. The toy was designed to help stimulate the sense of the affected individual, helping to ease their nerves and calm their mind. This is similar to a fidget spinner that you have likely seen before, but it was specifically designed to offer a clicking motion, much more satisfying than spinning. These toys are made from solid metal and are built to last a lifetime. They are super cheap, so you could buy a few for yourself, or hand them out to friends who may need a bit of relaxation. They're quiet, but provide just enough feedback to help ease your worries. SOBRO Smart Side Table. This is one of the most useful and versatile side tables you will ever see. SOBRO Smart Side Table has everything you need to never have to leave your chair again. This table offers a cooler drawer that will allow you to store countless beverages inside, so that you'll always have access to your favorite drink. On top of that, there's also wireless charging that will allow you to charge up to 4 devices at a time. Bluetooth speakers are built in, allowing you to pair the table with your smartphone or television for crystal clear audio quality. If that isn't enough, motion sensor lighting also allows the table to function as a light bar if you need to walk around at night. Several USB ports and 120-volt power outlets are built in as well, alongside a Wi-Fi chip so that the table can receive updates in the future. You can lock the drawers or pair the table to your lighting apps to help set the mood and change between many different LED colors. PRODRONE GS120. The all-new PRODRONE GS120 is a single-rotor drone that has been equipped with a brand new 120cc electronically controlled engine, giving you unsurpassed performance alongside a helicopter flight controller that will give you an experience like no other. This drone can fly for up to 2.5 hours at a time. It can carry a payload of around 33 pounds, perfect for moving packages from one place to another or transporting important goods. It is highly resistant to wind disturbances and can even fly through some storms or bad weather. Drones like this were designed specifically for delivering products to remote islands or isolated areas that you would otherwise be unable to reach. It also offers wide-angle surveillance, so you can keep a close eye on the world around you, or even monitor your crops or pesticides if you are a farmer. Chasing M2 Pro. If you've been looking for a great way to explore the depths of the ocean, look no further. The Chasing M2 Pro is everything you need to go wherever you want to go underwater, without even having to get wet. This device offers omnidirectional movement that lets you dive up to 330 feet below the surface of the water. An anti-stuck motor lets you maneuver anywhere without having to worry about losing your drone to the elements. A 4K UHD camera also lets you see everything underwater in the best quality imaginable, with several sophisticated attachments to help you perform any tasks you may need to while diving.